Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Everything's sounding good, right? Back at it. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. Last week was absolutely amazing. Interest rate decision. The rates stayed flat, potentially two cuts by the end of this year, maybe more. We'll see how it goes. Last week was amazing, and I'm looking forward to having another amazing week. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates as soon as they're available. Starting off like we always do, let's go ahead and take a look at the Roth portfolio. Everything is absolutely going according to plan. I will be adding to the portfolio this week, and I'll be doing the update for the last couple months. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel so we can help them get started on the right path. Let's check out the economics calendar for the week. S&P Flash US Services Tuesday, consumer confidence, new home sales. Wednesday, durable goods. Fed, St. Louis Fed President Alberto speaks. Initial jobless claims on Thursdays. Initial or pending home sales. Advanced wholesale inventories. The thing everybody's going to be looking forward to this week, PCE, that is pre-market, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, 5:30. It was pre-market for me. I'm on the West Coast. So pre-market for me, Fed's preferred inflation gauge, as it's been, I don't know, as they would say. But we're going to see how everything goes this week. But regardless, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. Let's get into the almanac for this week. The week after quad witching, Dow has been down 22 of the last 37 trading sessions, but in 2000, it was up 4.9%. Do we remember what happened in 2000? Not sure. Let's see, 2009, it was up 6.8%, and 2020 up 12.8%. Best week since 1931. Let's see if we get that bullish week. Historically, the market would start down on the Monday or end up red on the Monday, but we'll see how this goes. The market does whatever it wants. Tuesday, historically bullish. March overall, historically weak later in the month, but we'll see how that goes. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and get into the setups for the week and see if I can help you guys out. Let's see. All right. So, first ticker I'm going to be looking at this week, RIG. RIG is $3.19 at the close. Looking for an entry, a 322 60-minute entry above $3.20. You can see how it's potentially reversing off this Broughton formation. So we'll see how that goes. It's been really, really strong. And then it actually was down a little bit, 1.5%. Previous session, I actually like that. 40.8 million on the volume. So everything is looking good over there. RIG, again, that's a 322, 60-minute above $3.20. I like those penny stocks, really expensive stocks. I know we traded space last week, really took off. Amazing move. Looking for entries on UPS. Got some day entries. I want to see if I can get some discounts. Potentially, if I can get anything inside around this 1475 mark, that would be absolutely amazing. We see we had that big drop and we got that 3-2 week, got that weekly reversal. We pulled back to this quarterly broad information. Then we kind of started to push up last week. So let's see if we can get the 3-2 today or the 2 today. And if that turns into the 3-2 week. So we'll see how that goes. So it's a 2 day above 115.42. Last trading session, 19.5 on a volume. So pretty active over there. Last one I'm going to be looking at, AA. 212 60-minute above 33.97. So triggers a couple pennies away. One of the things I like is the setup. I was seeing an XME, XLB, and I'll actually pull those up real quick. But yeah, 60-minute 212. Let me kind of zoom out here. You see where we are with the gap above. So 212.60 above 33.97. Pretty good there. Yeah, I kind of like XL. Let me just check out XME. Some of these material stocks down here at these yearly broad informations below with those gaps to fill. So I'm going to see if we can get that price action up off of some of these potentially low levels, right? This is why we like to look at the macro. So that's XME, XLB. You can see where we are, that same gap, right? Off some of those low levels. So we want to see if AA gives us an opportunity. Last trading session, 4.7 million shares traded. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely amazing week. I hope you are as well. If you get any wins, I'd like to hear about those. If you have any questions for me about how we do what we do, make sure to let me know. Oh, before we get out of here, space from last week. Just kind of showing how people works off these low levels. You never know what kind of price action you can get. We just know that when price action reverses off these key levels, they can get kind of violent. So we got that move all the way from $3.25 to close to 4.5. Right. So pretty good move off a penny stock from 3.25 to 4.5. I think that's a pretty good move. We want to see if we can get some similar moves this week. So looking forward to having a great week. With that being said, there's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money. Blah. It's your man Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. I'm out, man. Let's get some money. Peace.